Good evening, guys. Good afternoon. Depends on where you're watching from. I am Miss V Variety and welcome to my channel. Today I said I'm gonna cook some dinner, and so I felt for chicken back. This is chicken back in Jamaica. Right, guys, so I cut off the excess fat off it, the excess fat. I'm gonna cut it up because I want to curry it. So this is how I could get the fat off the best way. Yes, guys. Yes. So I'm gonna wash it with some vinegar. Then I will season up accordingly. So go with me or come with me, guys, as I walk you through. I've cut up the chicken back, pure bone, but I'm gonna curry it for my dinner. I don't remember the name of this curry. I think it's duck egg curry or duck curry. It's more deeper than Indian curry. It's like more like curry goat curry. So I'm gonna use this on it, as well as I'm gonna mix it with another curry. Here I have the regular curry in this bottle, so I'm gonna mix some with it. As well, I'm gonna burn some in the oil. Here I have some pepper, onion, and the garlic. Onion, pepper, and garlic, so I throw it in. I remember one time I cooked some curry chicken. I was living with my aunt at that time, and she said she thought it was curry goat. I usually use my hand, I know a bit, but sometimes the curry behave too bad. Sometimes the curry can deep down in the finger. Yeah. Also, I use some jerk seasoning. See, mark jerk chicken seasoning on it. So I'm gonna put some of this on it to taste, because I don't really use salt, because salt is in this seasoning already, so I don't fool around the salt. Just to give it some taste, I put some jerk seasoning in it. So I use the onion, the garlic. I also gonna put a piece of ginger in there. Give me a minute, guys. I'm gonna beat this piece of ginger. I normally would have shredded it, but sometimes I just try to change up how you do things. So I normally wash one of these bottles. And beat a little, beat the ginger, beat it. Then I put it in. I don't normally let it beat. I just beat it in one piece, because when I do it more than one, some people don't like the ginger, so they will might be chew on the ginger. So what I do is to I eat the ginger myself because I love the ginger. So here is how it looks, guys. I'm gonna turn. So here is how this is the chicken back. I season it. So I'm gonna put it to soak a little, and then see chicken back. It has a little fat on it, a little meat on it. Anyways, so I just show you how it look like. When I don't have a lot of seasoning today. I don't have any scallion, so I use onion, I use garlic, I use scotch bonnet pepper, and I use a piece of there, there it is, and I use a piece of ginger in it as well. So walk with me, guys, as I walk you through my curry chicken back. So with my pot on the fire, I'm gonna pour a little pinch of oil in the pot, not a lot, just a little bit, because the chicken back already has a little fat leaf on it. So I pour just a little pinch of oil. So I allow this oil to hot. And I'm gonna put, I'm gonna mix the curry. So I'm gonna put some of the regular one in. And I'm gonna pour some of the duck curry. I don't know why they call it duck. I want to show you how it look like, guys. So I'm gonna turn the camera. I'm gonna turn it that way so that you can see what I'm doing. So because so sorry about that noise, guys. I live near the roadside. So because the duck curry is more deeper, you will see that color in it. So I'll let it burn a little, and I'm gonna put the chicken in as soon as it catches some color. The chicken back. Remember, I'm doing chicken back. Yes. Don't know. I'm gonna pour the chicken back in. I don't think this pot is big enough for me. I don't think this pot is big. But as soon as it shrinks, this guys. So that is the chicken back in the pot. In the meantime, it's getting color. I'm gonna cover it so that it's so that catch the color and it kind of, what I should do is to leave it open a little, let it catch some color, I think. So I'm gonna stir. I'm gonna prepare some white rice with this curry chicken. So the reason why I don't cover it is because I want the because I didn't season it and keep it for long before I start to cook. So I want the garlic and the onion to marinate in it before I actually start to do the actual cooking of it. This is just like a quick pot today because I should have started earlier, and it's about 6 o'clock now, Jamaica time. So I'm just gonna let it soak. This is one way you can let it marinate in the pot before you actually put any water on it, or say let the season marinate with the meat. This is what I'm saying. When you season the chicken and you didn't get any time to put it to soak, to let the season soak in the meat, this is one other way that you can let it marinate. Let this whatever seasoning I put on it, let it marinate with the heat from the fire, and the seasoning in the meat will marinate, and the seasoning will soak in the meat before you actually put any cover on it or any water in it. So just allow it to marinate, guys. Yes. So the heat will eventually work its way with the seasoning in the meat. I'm gonna see if I can show you. Okay. Now, the light that I normally have. So soon I will cover it, but it's now marinating, guys. I'm gonna see if I get some light, a brighter light for the kitchen. Just give me a minute. Yes, guys. Okay. Let me show you. So, guys, this is how it looks. It's marinated now. So I'm gonna pour a little water on it and cover it for it to actually cook. Yes. So this is my curry chicken back. So walk with me, guys, as I prepare my curry chicken back. So basically, this is how it looks. So it's cooking down. I'm gonna put some carrots and Irish potato, but when it's finished, cause it bone them tough, guys. So ginger in it, garlic. I love curry. So these bones have to cook. So just be patient with me, guys, as I cook my curried chicken back. I'm gonna now pour my carrot and Irish potato that I've cut before. So I'm gonna pour it in. didn't have much. I didn't have any thyme. I didn't have any scallion, but I used onion. And I use scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger. So I'm just gonna let this cook, guys, and you will see the end result as soon as possible. I've got the grounded pimento, so I'm gonna put a little in, just a little bit. Yes, guys. So just stay with me until you finish. The grounded pimento that you saw, that cuts the rawness from the chicken back, or you can also use a tubs of nutmeg. It named nutmeg. You can use a tubs of nutmeg on it. So guys, it still needs cooking because the chicken backbone is tough. So I'm gonna turn the fire down slightly and allow it to cook. Yes, guys, that's my curried chicken back, or curry chicken back. So that is the pot with the rice. So the rice is steaming and this here is cooking. So guys, here is my curry chicken back and white rice. I'm going to have some to eat right now. Here is my curry chicken back and white rice. Yes, guys, I'm gonna eat right now. I'm gonna have something to eat. I'm hungry. And I also have a cup of lemonade juice. There is my glass of lemonade. Yes, guys, this is my little spot. So I'm going to have something to eat now, guys, and drink my glass of lemonade. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for sharing. Have a blessed night.